Yes, yes. That's my curry goat. Yes, yes. That are the rice and peas. Yes, yes. That's the air fried chicken. Yes, yes, yes. Ham. Yes, yes. What them say? A little bit of mac and cheese. Yes, yes. Some candy yam on the side as well. Yes, yes. Don't forget the big bird. Jerk style. Yes, yes. Dressing all white today. I don't know why it was called. Little miss back here has done an outstanding job. I'm gonna let you talk to her for a little bit. Hold on. All right, all right. Look on the plate.
There is more, but I don't know where to put it. I have the ham that you don't get a slice of, nor have I given you vegetable that I made,
Mom, Daddy, this
nor plantains. So where am I gonna fit this all?
Well, listen, me have somewhere to fit it. Yeah? You see me lose weight. I'm down to 185
But I'm
pounds.
talking about the plate.
So
We can't fit anything now. Where am I gonna put it?
don't worry about that. That's why you got second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth,
You can't go 6 alignment.
seventh,
I can't
eighth.
go 6. In my can't go 5th. And 4th because it's a man with inscription in the night and eat another plate.
Yeah, man, me a eat sleeper. Sleep eater.
Some are Jew face, I'm like, you know.
But anyways, people, happy Thanksgiving to you all.
Thanksgiving from the Lewises to your pot or your
Absolutely. Hopefully you guys have a blessed day. What about the American crowd? Jamaican, bless up on yourself because they don't know so not eat good all the time. Right?
It's heavy. It's heavy.
It's a Jamaican food every day. Sunday dinner actually. Every day, not true?
But we
big
don't
up.
get that much.
Right. It's more than, you know, we wouldn't have so much protein,
Yeah, Daddy.
so
don't
much
eat that
carbs,
all.
plantains, all of that.
Listen, big sleep afterwards.
Kenny, he's the sleeper now.
Big sleep afterwards.
He took over my
He
role.
snores.
That's all. But anyways, again, happy Thanksgiving to you all. I'm about to enjoy this wonderful meal that was made by her. Yours truly.
Don't jump it.
You guys enjoy the rest of the day. Take care. Alright? Love you.